Right, okay, so we've got ai plus 10j for this vector. Okay, so I is just instead of your x direction and j is basically your y direction. Okay, so if a was positive, hang on, so this is I, this is j, right. So if a was positive, it's going to be over here somewhere. If a is negative, it's going to be over here somewhere. Okay, depending on if it's positive or negative. So if it's positive, so if a is greater than 0, then we're going to go a in that direction and 10 up. Okay, 10 in the j direction. Okay, so we're going to go like that overall. So our vector's going like that. Right, and we always measure our direction of our vectors from the positive axis, positive x-axis or y-axis in this case, anti-clockwise. So we want this angle here. Okay, now you're told the vector has a magnitude of 15. So that's 15, and we know this side here is 10. Find all the possible directions of the vector. So initially, we're gonna use, what have we got? Well, we've got a right angled triangle here. We know the opposite and we know the hypotenuse. So we're going to say that sine of this angle here, let's call it theta, sine of theta is equal to 10 over 15, which if you pop that in your calculator will give you theta equals the inverse sine of 10 over 15. Make sure your calculator's in degree mode. So 10 over 15, and that gives you 41.81. We want our answers to 2 decimal places, so yeah, 41.81 for that one. Now, looking at when a is negative, so if a is less than 0, our direction of our vector is going to be like this over here, which I think is what you did before. Okay, so again, that's going to be 10, that's still 15, and this angle here is 41.81. But we want to measure anti-clockwise from this positive x-axis. So we want this angle here. Okay, we want that angle there. So to find that angle, imagine we're going to go 180 that way and then come back 41.81. So we're going to do 180 minus 41.81, and that will give you 138.19 degrees to 2 decimal places. Okay, so that's answer 1, that's answer 2. There's no other possible ones because a can only either be positive or negative. I suppose, no, a can't be 0 because that would just have a magnitude of 10, so they are all your possible solutions. Hope that helps, love.